Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.3 question number 2. Solve the following equations. Right? We'll solving the problem. Right here see. That is question number A. Question number A is 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12, or x plus 4 is equal to, it is multiplied, now it will be divided by, that is 12 by 2, that is 2 6 is 12, 6, or x plus 4 is equal to 6, or it will be written as x is equal to, if we transpose 4 on the right hand side, it will be minus, that is 6 minus 4, or you can write x is equal to 2, which is the required equation, which is the required solution, which is the required solution. Right? Now question number B. Question number B is 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 21, or n minus 5 is equal to 21 divided by 3, this 3, or 3 on 3, 3 7 21, 7, or n minus 5 is equal to 7, or n is equal to 7 plus 5, or n is equal to 12. This is the required solution. Right? Now question number C. Here you see question number C is 3 into n minus 5, 5 is equal to minus 21, or you can write n minus 5 is equal to minus 21 by 3. 3 3 7 21, or you can write n minus 5 is equal to minus 7, or you can write n is equal to, be transpose this minus 5 on the right hand side, it will be plus, so minus 7 plus 5, or n equal to minus 2, which is the required solution. Now question number D. Now we will solve question number D and E. Question number D here you see is question number D is, here you see question number D is minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8, or 2 plus x is equal to 8 divided by minus 4. 4 on 4, 4 to 8, or you can write 2 plus x is equal to minus 2, or you can write x is equal to minus 2, and this plus 2, if I transpose it, it will be minus 2, or x equal to minus 4, which is the solution of the equation. Right? Now question number E. Question number E is 4 into 2 minus x is equal to 8, or 2 minus x is equal to 8 divided by 4. 4 on 4, 4 2 is 8, or 2 minus x is equal to 2, right? Or minus x is equal to 2. This plus 2 will change into minus 2, right? Plus 2 minus 2, or minus 6 is equal to 0, or you can say that x is equal to 0, which is the required solution. If we check here also, if we put the value of x as 0, then 4 to the 8, left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is the solution of the equation A. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.